Hello everybody. Well, I came home this afternoon and I found this parked right in front of my garage door. This is one of my brother's chippers. I don't know what model it is. Terex Woodsman. Got a cat motor in there. So it was, I walked around it here, and this is what I got to this side last, and the winch rope was right like that, and come to find out, now I know why it's here. So, yeah, I like doing stuff like this, so I guess this evening I'll see if I can fix that up. I'll bring you back. Alright, got the fender off. That was the main culprit right there on that brake. These two bolts were missing, so that could have been part of the problem too. And then I realized that there's one brake there. Got something going on there. And I always like to look at these cracks. Looks like it was just being held down here. All this was cracked for a while. Alright, I'll bring you back. Okay, got the remaining piece there. Come on, focus. There you go, beveled and ground out, cleaned up. That's going to go right on there. And we'll go from there. One of the things I noticed that I don't want to heat this bad boy too much because there's a bunch of packed in sawdust and fabric wrapped hydraulic hoses right on the back side of that, so I got to be careful of that. But I'm gonna weld this thing up. So this is what I was talking about there with all these things. I've taken a couple wood wedges and put them behind and under here, so if I heat this up I'm not melting all this stuff. But I just wanted to show you a little bit. I don't know if the light's going to be in here. I don't know how old this is, but I know it's garage kept. There is not a spot of rust on this darn thing. Can you guys see this? This is the bottom of that plate I welded on a year ago or so. A couple of plug welds right there. And what that does is it keeps the chute level when it's down. I had to do that on my son's chipper. So that's the other time I did that. Okay, come on, focus. So there's my there we go. Oh, I'm not focusing. But anyway, I burned it in as hot as I could. But one little lesson here, I just threw a coat of paint on there. But look at this. This crack right there was invisible. I thought it was actually just the paint or powder coater coming off, but after I painted it, that showed up. So I'm going to grind that out and fix that up while I'm here. Okay, there it is. All done. few little cosmetic things here. And that up there, I gotta hit that with a coat of paint yet. Put those bolts back in. Came over here to the winch apparatus, and now that works a little bit better. But overall, nice job. I did notice that the wedges I put in to protect those hoses ended up taking what would have gone into those hoses. So be careful of that next time. I'll see you. Bye.